Good day, sir, ma'am. My name is Maricor Hasildo, 36 years old. I live in the Barangay Nabitasan, Lianes, Philippines. I am married. I have 3 children. My eldest child is 14 years old, now studying at 3rd year high school. My younger child is 3 and 8 months, 3 years old and 8 months. I graduated. I'm a college graduate. I graduated at the Colegio del Sagrado Corazon de Jesus, a course of Associate in Hotel Restaurant Management.
2-year course?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, continue.
I am good in cooking. I know how to cook puchero, Nobia Shanghai, but I like most cooking spaghetti. I know how to work since I know things. I know things all about inside the house because I am a mother. I know how to raise children. I know how to teach. I know how to teach them. I am good in mathematics like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I am the third child of the family. I know how to laundry. I am good in washing clothes. I am good in cleaning the house and washing dishes, wiping the floor. This allow me to work to Hong Kong as a domestic helper, and I am a harmless person. I am honest. I am educated. I am honest. I am harmless as long as you are not harmful. Please treat me as a human being. I am willing to work anything you want as long as you're good to me. And I'm decided to work to Hong Kong because I want money for my children for college, and I want to see also Hong Kong. Yes.
Okay, so Mariflora, you cannot go home anytime you want. I know you really want to work abroad to earn money for your children's future. So you have to work hard for it. Who will care of your kids if you will go?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the business of your husband?
Entrepreneur, ma'am.
What's the nature?
During summer, they have also farm, mga salt making during summer.
I see. Okay. So, Mariflor, no?
Maricor.
Maricor. Okay, so since you're a mother of 3, so if there are children, even small children or newborn baby, you can handle.
Yes, ma'am.
You are also willing to take her.
Yes, ma'am.
And you said that you like cooking, no? Because you took up hotel and restaurant management, so your specialty is cooking. So you can also follow instructions in cooking.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if there's a recipe book, you can follow.
I can follow.
You need to learn more, Chinese cooking.
Yes.
Your health, any problem?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so anytime you are prepared and you are ready to go.
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you.
Thank